You all must have heard the sound of an alien, a robot, or an animal in a science fiction movies. Well, they aren't real, but just our imagination. But at Nehru Science Center Mumbai's Sound and Hearing Gallery, you can actually turn your voice into these special creatures. So at this funny sound exhibit, you can record your voice here just by clicking this record button, and you can say anything, any message that you want to give. Once you are done, you can change your voice into an alien's voice or a lion's voice. Or you want to get musical, you can do it as well. Speak into the microphone and your recorded voice will be transformed using sound processing techniques. You can hear yourself as a robot, a parrot, a lion, or even a mosquito. It shows how technology changes ordinary voice into exciting sound we enjoy in films. If you could change your voice into a character, which character would it be? Comment down below and stay tuned with our Science in Seconds series for more such amazing videos. Thank you very much.